I decided to sleep in. I did wake up on time to go to the gym, but according to Athletic, it said, oh, your recovery's below 50% for the last 3 days. It might be a good idea to get some more sleep and take a lighter load. So I'm going to take it a little easier, like Athletic recommended. And today we have some sledding and inner tubing going on with work, and I'm going to have fun with the kids, so it's going to be just a fun, relaxing day. So I just weighed in 189.6. Doesn't seem like something probably to you, but for me, I haven't been under 190 in probably a year. So I'm really excited. Clearly what I'm doing seems to be working, so I'm just gonna keep this up. All right, we are going to Home Park. We're gonna go sledding. We're gonna have some fun today, right?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, Afro!
So normally the conveyor belt's on, but it's not on today, so I'm gonna be burning lots of calories. Come on, Rocky! Ez, what'd you think?
Good.
Woo! Aubrey, what'd you think? That was so much fun.
Yeah.
That was great. So here's what I've learned so far. You stay consistent. I'm on day 4 and fasting is getting easier, choosing wisely. When I have food presented to me, I had somebody offer me chocolate today and I said no, and I had no problem with that. My cravings aren't so bad. The key is to stay consistent. All you have to do is stay consistent and keep persevering. And if you fail, it's okay. So what am I struggling with the most? Just headaches. And honestly, that is getting better. Biggest and best tip I can give you today is listen to your body. If you need to rest, like the Athletic app told me you need to rest, and honestly I felt like sleeping in anyway, do it. Just sleep in, take a break, go play with your kids, have some fun with your family. Nothing wrong with resting. If anything, you need to rest. 10% of the battle is rest and recovery. So take the time that's necessary to let your body heal and you'll be successful. Here's a brief word of encouragement. I passed 190 pounds. Been stuck there for over a year and it took me 4 days to do it. So if I can do it, stay consistent, be encouraged by you guys, then I'm gonna say to you, you can do it too. Let me know in the comments below if you're on this journey with me. I want to take a moment to thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out so much. And until next time, have a great night. Okay, you're still watching. All right, I just wanted to see if you guys would keep all the way to the end. So kudos to you. Have a great night, guys.